Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I went to the flea market yesterday, and I went to a garage sale today. I picked up all these tools here for 20 bucks, and I got this little. It's pretty kind of cool. I looked here. It says Ducati on it. If I can focus that in there, you can kind of make it out. It's a motorcycle wrench. Got a box in Armstrong here, an SK combo, VL check, open end, single head Williams engineer's wrench here. It's a number 605. Got a lot of rust on it. And okay, if you guys know what this is, please let me know. It's one of those I bought because I didn't know what it was. T-069, made in Japan. Have no idea. And I got this, I'm hoping it's a full set of, got super wrench, Williams super wrenches here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I haven't really taken a good close look to see if there's any matchers in there. Hopefully they're all different. They're all combos, so clean those up. They'll be looking nice. And okay, yeah, so that was all 20 bucks. And then at the flea market, yeah, I didn't get much. Got this pipe wrench for 2 bucks. And auto drop forged. Universal, I think it says Universal Metal Company, I think. Yeah, Universal Metal Company. So I got that. That's pretty good size. So, you know, it's maybe 15, 16 inches. And got this for $1. Diamond Drop Forge Tool Steel, Duluth, USA combo wrench. It really reminds me of the Ford wrenches. Very similar. I got this pretty cool auto hammer, metal refinishing hammer, and it's a Fairmont 150. It looks like. That was $1. This was $1, and then I got this International Harvesters wrench for $1. And then I got this Spud Wrench, kind of a smaller Spud Wrench. It's a Proto 0904-A 3/4. Probably one of the smaller Spud wrenches that I've seen. I paid up for that. I paid $4. I actually tried to buy it from the guy before. He wanted $5, and I was going 3. And next time I saw him, I just paid up the 4 because I liked it. But anyway, that's it, guys. That's my haul. Thanks for watching. Bye.